Hey guys, it's John, and I am at the Rio Grande Village here at Big Bend National Park. Just got in, want to do a small little hike. We're going to go ahead and do the nature trail. Yeah, they say do not buy this stuff. Yeah, there's a goat. Can't see the video, but there is a goat. Wow. Kind of cool. Let's go all the way up. I'm at the overlook at the Rio Grande Trail. Yeah, that's the Rio Grande right there. Basically, this takes you to the top. Look at that, there's Mexico. Right across the river. Okay, now let's finish out the loop. So let's check out the river spur trail. Hi, horsey friend. There's a little turtle. There's a bunch of little fishies. There's the Rio Grande Village Nature Trail. We hiked about a mile in about half an hour and saw horses and goats and turtles and fish and birds. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you get reminders. Thanks for watching. See you next time.